Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will explore Google in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of September 3rd, 2024, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.68. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock saw a decline of 4.09%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.02% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which may present a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $147.44 be breached, it would indicate a stronger rate of decline. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 13.49% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -15.48% to -0.648%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 35.06% over the next year, with a potential return between 35.06% and 78.66%. This translates to a price range between $203.83 and $269.64 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google features the headline, "Red Day on Friday for Google stock after losing 4.02%. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, the price of Google stock declined by 4.02%, dropping from $157.24 to $150.92. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.82%, with a low of $150.57 and a high of $157.83. Notably, the price has decreased in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decline of 7.86% during this period. The trading volume increased on the last day by 18 million shares, albeit alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 37 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $5.53 billion. Examining the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $191.75, while the lowest price was $120.21. Currently, the price stands at 21.29%, or $40.83, below the 52-week high, and 93.84%, or $2,298, below the all-time high reached on the 14th of June, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,448.92. Recent headlines surrounding Google have raised significant concerns among investors. A federal judge has confirmed plans to impose penalties on Google for monopolistic practices in the search market by August 2025. This has intensified fears regarding the potential regulatory impact on the company's revenue model. This ruling is likely to create uncertainty in the short term as stakeholders prepare for possible changes that could disrupt Google's advertising operations and overall market position. Furthermore, the United Kingdom's Competition and Markets Authority has indicated that Google may have breached competition laws related to its advertising practices. These developments suggest a tightening regulatory environment that could pose additional challenges to Google's business strategies, both domestically and internationally. This, in turn, may adversely affect the stock as investors consider the implications of stricter compliance requirements against the backdrop of future earnings growth. On a different note, interest in artificial intelligence investments is on the rise, partially driven by NVIDIA's recent successes, an area where Google is also actively competing. As the AI landscape continues to evolve, Google's innovations in this field could help alleviate some concerns surrounding regulatory pressures. Effectively navigating these complexities will be crucial in determining Google's long-term growth trajectory and stock performance. Overall, investors will need to remain vigilant as these narratives unfold in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral grade along with an initialize action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, Evercore ISI rated Google as outperform and recommended a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, Wolfe Research classified Google as a buy with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, Goldman Sachs issued a buy rating for Google, also suggesting a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of August, 2024, Needham provided a buy grade for Google, recommending a hold as well. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Google stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The Google stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels 158 and 57 hundredths and 165 and 14 hundredths. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 10th, 2024, with the stock having declined by 21% and 6 hundredths so far. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 42 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average showed a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 33 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average issued a sell signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may face significant challenges in the coming days. Generally, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk associated with it is considered quite low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $7.26 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 4.82%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock was 2.72%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.83. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $159.25. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Walker John Kent, who bought and sold 58,001 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 10.334. Overall, insiders purchased 599,415 shares and sold 751,237 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Google stock a good investment opportunity? Currently, Google exhibits several negative indicators and is positioned within a broad declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks. This leads us to a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and fluctuations from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the present price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of September, we predict that Google will open at $2.19 and commence trading at $153.11. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.